Friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to make Murukku flour. It's a basic recipe, and in one flour you can make 4 different snacks. It's a Murukku, butter Murukku, Thattai and Chakli. Welcome to the channel. Food is a God gift. Please like, subscribe now and click that bell button to get the notification. So friend, in the same flour that we're going to see how to make today, and you always can make many different of the fried snacks. It's like a spicy savory snacks, and simply easy to, if you prepare this flour ready, and no time you can make all these amazing snacks at home and for the festival. For make this flour you need a 4 cup rice and 1 cup urad dal. So this is the basic, friend. The ratio is a 1 to 4. So if you take the 1 kilo rice and then 250 gram of the urad dal. So friend, wash it 3-4 times and get the clear water, and we need to dry it in the room temperature. So today I have the one white cloth and I dry it and in the room temperature. It's take about 1 to 2 hours and it's ready. Now you can see that the rice is ready, it's dry completely, and now I'm going to blend it or grind it to fine powder, friends. So it's going to be get rice flour. So, and meanwhile I'm just roasted the urad dal. So we're going to blend this also and get nice flour, like a powder, fine powder. So for the consistency should be like a golden brown. You need to roast it until golden brown. It should be take 10 to 15 minutes. So friends, now again the rice flour is ready. Again the roasted urad dal, 1 teaspoon of the jeera or cumin seed, and 1 cup of the roasted chana, friends. So this is the ingredient to make the nice flaky crispy murukku. So again I just again dry roasted the rice flour, because the rice flour still moist, because we earlier washed and dried. It still have little moisture inside, and now I just dry roasted until we get nice soft and little light texture. It should be, when you touch it, it should be like a nice warm. That's sufficient, friends. And we can store this flour for 6 to 8 months, friends. So now I'm adding all that roasted chana, roasted urad dal and roasted rice flour. So just mix all combined together, and we're going to shift it multiple times so we get nice fine flour. So this is the techniques, and please follow this step and you never get fail make this murukku. No time, friends. Now it's ready. We can store this flour again 6 to 8 months, friends. It's really easy. When the flour is ready, you can make this murukku. It's a coconut milk murukku. And again, friends, this is so easy. And you also can make the butter murukku. It's so soft and crispy murukku. And this flour we can use to make a Thattai, the another South Indian snacks. Is you can add any flavor. Friends, you also can make another snacks. It's called Chakli. It's a spicy murukku. And before you leave, please like, share and subscribe. Happy Diwali to you and to your family, and please do support our channel to get more Diwali marathon snack every day. Thank you.